You won't believe how coconuts are produced and what they yield. In this video, you'll discover the coconut's journey from beginning to end. The coconut tree is naturally resistant to drought and needs very little care to thrive. With the right conditions, it can survive for up to a century. Traditionally, harvesting coconuts involves using long poles to reach the high clusters. Coconuts are considered a highly sustainable food source with remarkable nutritional and economic value. Major cultivation hubs are found in Indonesia, the Philippines, India, Sri Lanka, and Brazil, which together supply a significant share of the world's coconuts. The coconut shell is tough and fibrous, providing natural protection for the fruit inside. To open it, workers typically use sharp tools such as knives or machetes, skillfully separating the shell from the inner flesh. After the initial husk removal, the coconuts are sent to processing plants where they are prepared and refined into a variety of coconut-based products. Coconut peat, also known as coir, is produced by processing the husks of coconuts. This eco-friendly material is highly valued in horticulture and agriculture for its excellent water retention and soil conditioning properties. After being thoroughly washed, dried, and ground, the coconut shells go through a sifting process. This ensures a uniform texture and removes any unwanted particles. Coconut peat is pressed into blocks of various sizes. It is then packaged for storage and transport. This material is light and airy in texture. It holds water very well and releases it gradually, allowing plants to absorb it efficiently. It is an ideal medium for hydroponic and aeroponic cultivation. Its structure supports strong root growth and efficient nutrient absorption. Coconut cream is valued for its rich flavor and smooth texture. From sweet treats to savory dishes, it enhances countless recipes. Let's take a look at how it's produced. The white coconut flesh is ground and blended with water. The mixture is then filtered to produce coconut milk. Through centrifugation, the milk is separated into liquid and cream. The cream is concentrated for a thicker texture, then pasteurized to kill microorganisms and prolong freshness. Pasteurization involves controlled heating followed by rapid cooling. Coconut shell charcoal is made by burning the shells at high temperatures. It burns hot and produces very little smoke, making it highly efficient. Coconut cream powder is produced by drying and grinding the white coconut flesh. It offers a convenient way to use coconut cream in various recipes. Coconut oil is a natural oil extracted from the white flesh of the coconut. It is solid and white at room temperature with a distinct tropical fragrance. This versatile oil is used in cooking, cosmetics, and medicinal applications. First, the mature coconut shells are carefully removed. These shells are then processed as raw material for extracting the oil. The coconut flesh is grated or sliced and then dried. This can be done either under the sun or in an oven. Dried coconut flesh can have its oil extracted using two methods, pressing and cold pressing. In the pressing method, the meat is mechanically pressed, which yields a high amount of oil. Sometimes heat is applied during pressing, producing unrefined or cracked coconut oil. The final step is packaging. The coconut oil, whether refined or unrefined, is filled into bottles, jars, or other suitable containers for distribution. Coconut fiber mats and ropes are natural products derived from the husk fibers of coconuts. These strong and versatile materials are used in a wide range of applications. Coconut fiber mats are ideal for decoration and as floor coverings in gardens, balconies, and terraces. Coconut ropes find use in carpet weaving, basket making, and furniture production. So far, humans have made extensive use of coconuts and their byproducts. It seems this versatile resource will continue to play an important role in the future.